Hi everyone, welcome to my Virtual Robotics Toolkit tutorials. In this video, I'll explain how you can participate in robot virtual games competitions. So open your Virtual Robotics Toolkit software and get ready for it. Before moving to the topic, I would like to share a few things. You can like and follow ROBO-G Facebook page for the regular updates on the workshops and the classes. You can search ROBO-G Facebook page using the address facebook.com/ROBOG-official. And also you can visit robog.in website for more details about the Virtual Robotics Toolkit classes. You can click on online courses, click on online live classes, and here you will find the details about Virtual Robotics Toolkit regular classes. To participate in robot virtual games competitions, you have to visit robotvirtualgames.com website and then click on competitions tab. Here you will find a lot of competitions happening around the world, and you can participate in all these competitions depending on the criteria set for each competition. So the first thing what you have to do is you have to sign in using your Microsoft account. So if you have any, you can sign in with that, or you can create a new account. So I am putting my Microsoft account here to sign in. And here I have to put the password. And now I have signed in with my Microsoft account. So once you sign in, then it will ask you to choose the avatar, first name, last name, email ID, username, all these things you can fill here, your date of birth, etc. And then let's see what we have available in the Your Competitions tab. So if you click here, you can see I don't have any competitions yet. It means I have not registered for any competition. So let's go to the competition tab and register for one competition. So I have to see the criteria for the competitions which is free, and I can register for that. So I'll go to the last tab and I'll go to this cleanup challenge, the tower cleanup challenge. Click on this, and then you have to click on this register option. So once you click on this, it will ask if you want to register for the competition. Then I'll click on this register tab, and here we go. So we have registered for the competitions here. So you can see it's already showing registered. And when you scroll down, you can see there are 20 rounds which you can submit your result, and this is open for all. This is the open registration, and it is open for this many countries. You can check your country name here, and after submitting the result, you can check at what position you are in and how much score you have done while solving the challenge. So how we are reaching to this, how we will get at some position here, we will see next. Okay, and one more thing what you can do is if you want to see the rules of the competition, then you can click on this rules tab, and you will get one PDF file where you will get the explanation of the competition. So let's go back, and now we have to participate in the competition. So once you register your email ID on the Robot Virtual Games website, you have to go to the VRT software. So once you go to the VRT software, you have to click on third last option, which is the 3 windows option, and here also you will get the option to sign in using your email ID. So the same Microsoft account which you have used to sign in on Robot Virtual Games, so same email ID you have to use here. So I am signing in with the same Outlook account. Now I have to wait for the password window. Okay, so I have entered the password, sign in, and once you sign in here, it will take few seconds to log in on your VRT software. And after a few seconds, it will sign in on your VRT software. It generally takes few seconds to sign in and get your environment ready. Okay, so once you get this message not registered with any learning systems, it means you have registered for the competition and you have signed in using your Microsoft account. Now click on two windows option and then you have to click on new projects option here. So when you click on the competitions tab, then here you will find your competition which you have registered just now. So if you sign out in the VRT software, then you will not see anything here. So basically, if you have seen my previous videos, I have explained that in competitions tab you will not see anything until unless you have signed in using your Microsoft account. So if you want to participate in this competition, then you have to click on this and it will open this environment for you, and then we have to solve the challenge. So it is opening. So here we go, we have the cleanup challenge ready, and then we have to make a simple program to solve the challenge. So I am opening a new project file so that I can make a small program. And here one thing to notice is in this competition mode you cannot use your WSAD keys, so which we use to navigate the robot. It is not allowed in the competition mode. So now let's make a simple program and solve the challenge. So basically what I have to do is I have to push all this blocks and throw it everything outside of the mat, and for that I am making one program. Okay, so before that I have to connect the robot with the EV3 software, so I'll click on the Wi-Fi option. So now my robot is connected with the EV3 software. Now I have two motors here, and then I am moving forward for one rotation, taking turn left side, and for around two rotation, not exactly, 0.7 rotation left side, and then moving forward for 4.5 rotations. So let's play this program and see how it is doing. Okay, so it is turning a lot, so we have to reduce the turn. So I'll stop the simulator, restart it, and then I have to change this value, maybe 0.4, and then play the program again and check it. So one rotation, 0.4 rotation seems to be a little less, so we have to turn little more. So I'll increase the turn and make it 0.5 and stop the simulator and start the new program. So let's see how this program is going to work. So the turning is looking good and the front movement is little less, so 4.5 is looking little less, so we have to increase this value, maybe 5.5, and I'll stop the simulator here and then again play the new program. Okay, so it is going one rotation, turning left, pushing it forward, and yes, so this was the right program and we were able to push everything off the mat. So now after finishing the challenge, this window will pop up. So submit results. Do you want to submit your results, or do you like to submit these results? So if you click on yes, then you will be able to submit the result on the website. So it means we have submitted the result after finishing the challenge. And also we have one more option here called scoreboard. If you want to see how much time it is taking and what score you are getting to solve the challenge, then you can click on the scoreboard option. So now let's play this program again and see how much time it is taking to finish the challenge. So it is pushing it, and here we go. So now it is taking around 14.957 seconds, and we got 13 scores. And so basically you can submit the result 20 times. So that was my first time, and this is the second time I'm going to submit my result. And you click on yes, and then you have okay. So let's understand this window. What is happening here is, so whenever you submit the result first time, the second time submission can be done only after few minutes. If you do continuously multiple times, then it will not submit your result. It will not upload your result on the website. So you will get this request submission fail only when you are trying to submit the result in very short amount of time. Let's say in few seconds you are trying to submit your result more than 2-3 times, then it will fail your submission. So you can press OK, and again you can try the same thing after few minutes, and you'll be able to submit your result. So now after submitting the result, let's check on the website, are we really getting our score here or not. So what I'll do is, before checking, I need to refresh the website, and I'll go and check the name if I have solved my challenge properly or not, or at what level I have reached, at what position I am. So I'm scrolling down and I'm checking for the name ROBO-G, the same name which I used it for creating the account. So here is the name called ROBO-G, and I am at the position 74. I scored 13, and the number of times which I have submitted the result is 1. So one time I have submitted the result and I scored 13, and it took around 9.014 seconds. So this is how you can submit the result and check your result at what position you are there on the website. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.